Again, welcome to Aaron Pampanga. Para sa video na to, nandito tayo ngayon sa Candaba, Pampanga, and we were invited by Cactus Cafe. Guys, we wanna show you more kung anong mga sinerve nila dito. Samahan niyo po kami. Let's go! Alright, so guys, once again, thank you so much for being with us in this video. Thanks so much, Cactus Cafe, for inviting us.
Yes.
I remember, Mami, no, nung unang pinuntahan natin sila, napaka-humble nung beginning.
Humble beginnings.
Yes, so I believe meron lang siyang few tables and chairs.
Okay.
And then pagbalik natin, nakuha na niya yung kabila. So nag-expand pa sila. Just recently, nag-open din yung Santa Ana branch nila. And now this is the third time.
And the biggest.
In a span of siguro less than 2 years, going 2 years. Grabe, that's already a big...
Milestone.
Hmm?
Grabe yung minunili na milestone.
Oo, malaki.
Ang
So,
tapo na.
not just coffees and drinks and beverages. So, meron po tayong mga dishes. Ito yung parang mga quick snacks. Pero grabe yung mga iba dito, solid na parang heavy meal na talaga. Like this one. This is
This one.
one of the biggest burgers. Ang tawag natin yata dito ay Colossal Angus Overload.
You know how much is this one?
How much?
Napakamura. 308 on
108 pesos. Siguro this is shareable up until 4
Uy, for sa boys.
sa boys.
Sa girls,
Anim na ganyan. So let's taste them and yeah, samahan niyo po.
Are you ready?
Thank you so much. Yes, I'm ready.
Okay.
Thank you so much, Cactus Cafe. Kain na na.
Thank you.
So mention ko na rin guys, yung third branch nila, located po dito sa may along Bahay Paret Road, no? This is still at Candaba. What I can say about the place, sabi nga natin, this is their biggest branch so far. 35 seating capacity. So meron tayong indoor, which is air conditioned. Meron din tayong alfresco. So during the evening, you can enjoy yung night breeze.
Nasarap siya.
Yes, yeah.
Sabihin na tayo, sige. Hindi mo food intake lang.
Nakakaharap. Kasi mami, kanina ko pa iniisip paano natin ito kakainin. Nachos.
Overload.
Let me try this one. Ito yung kanilang mga potato fries tayo dito.
Potato fries, Domenios, and yung mga fries natin nun.
Yeah.
Spiral fries. No?
This is big.
Cheers. Then everybody tayo. Ayan. So this one is the
Pork katsu.
pork katsu. Okay, pork katsu.
Going in.
Yung malaban. Ang sarap. Ang sarap na ulit. Ang bilis kumain na kasama ko. Ayan. Oh.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Ang lang na eh. Mga savory dish niya. Kaya may mga nachos na. Sarap nung garlic sauce.
Garlic sauce.
Go for that.
Hindi nyo yung garlic sauce kaya.
1, 2, 3, tatlong bala.
This one is the soda. Ganda. Ganda ng color.
Napaka-Instagram. Grabe.
So far,
Grabe namin titignan. Once again, thank you so much, Cactus Cafe, for inviting us. And congratulations po
congratulations.
on your newest branch. Dito po sa Candaba. So, taga Bahay Paret. Meron na po yung tambayan dito.
Pupuntahan
Pupuntahan.
after your tour.
Exactly. So, and guys, if you're interested to know more about this place, check out the fan page po. We're gonna be including. And if you got interested sa mga pagkain na shinare nila sa amin, please give this video a thumbs up, share with your friends. So, and guys, thank you so much for watching Aaron Pampanga. Until our next discovery, we hope to see you there.
Peace out.
Bye guys.